Ni hao, ma. Welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today Aunty is gonna show you how to make a classic Zongzi or bakchang, or in English, Chinese dumpling. So come, let's join Aunty. So these are the ingredients I'm gonna use to do the filling for the bakchang or the Chinese dumpling. And of course, the main one is the glutinous rice. This one I already soak in water for about 5 hours. And besides that, these are the pork. I'm going to mince this later on. And this one is a dry shrimp. I soak with water to make it soft. And of course, this one is shiitake mushroom. I already soak in water. It's soft already. And these are the chestnut. This chestnut I already boiled until it's soft. And of course, to stir fry all this, I need garlic and shallot. This one I already grind like this. And a little bit of ginger. Besides that, salt and ajinomoto. Okay, come, let's join Aunty, yeah? Stay tuned. This one is pandan leaves and the string. This one I need to boil it to make the leaf soft. And this leaf I'm gonna use to wrap the Chinese dumpling. We call it bakchang. This one is a dry chestnut, and now I'm gonna boil it until it's soft. And this one is shiitake mushroom, the dry type. Now I soak in water to make it soft. And this one is glutinous rice. I soaked it for hours already. Okay, we start mince the pork. Right, this is how I usually do. I have to make sure this brown thing, remove it. See, this one, remove it. So this is the tutorial how you should do when you use these nuts. Okay, let's start the cooking. Okay, Aunty want to stir fry this pork. This one already minced pork. I have chopped it into tiny pieces of this. And come, let's join Aunty. These are the shallot and the garlic I already grind. Okay. And followed by 4 slices of ginger. little bit of salt to enhance the flavor, the aroma of the garlic and onion. A little bit of 5 spice. Okay, we add in the pork, the minced pork. Alright. This is light sauce. Oyster sauce. Alright. Thick sauce. Okay. And this one is ground white pepper. Okay. About 2 tablespoons. Alright. This one shiitake mushroom. This one dry shrimp. And chestnut. Wow. Okay, add a bit of water. Put salt, about 2 teaspoons. Ajinomoto. Okay, 2 teaspoons. And sugar. Okay, 3 spoons. Okay, this is tapioca flour. I use 2 spoons to thicken the sauce. Okay, slow the flame as we pour in the tapioca flour. See, so beautiful. coated with this paprika flour. I have 1 bulb of chopped garlic here. Add a bit of salt. Okay, add in the rice, the glutinous rice. Okay, continue fry. I put a bit light sauce. This is camel thick sauce. Another 1 teaspoon of salt. That's it. Add a little bit of water. This is mushroom water. Okay. I usually do like this. I didn't throw away the mushroom water. I used to cook rice. This glutinous rice. Alright, done. Okay. Scoop it out, put it inside the pot. Okay. Right. You see? Do like this, huh? Alright. Fill the rice in. Then the filling. Okay, rice on top. Then slowly grab it like this. Then this one, put it down. Okay, like this. Okay. Flip it up. Alright, time to tie it. Now we tie it. Okay, first knob, this is to grab the leaf so that it will not open. Second knob, and the third knob. Okay, that's it. Make it more beautiful, you cut the edges. Alright. Alright, it's cooked after 2 hours of cooking. Okay, I switch off the flame and I'm gonna take it out. So friends, this is the ending of Auntie's cooking, making zongzi or bakchang. It's a Chinese dumpling. Okay, tasting time. This one with pork, and this one with spicy shrimp paste. Tasting. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye bye. See you in the next video. May God bless all.